How to restore default font setting on Windows 11. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can restore your default font settings on Windows 11. So for that, first of all, you need to come to Windows search bar and search for control panel from here, and after that you have to click on the control panel, and then you can see on the right upper corner search control panel, the search bar here, and you just have to simply search for font from here. Font from here. As you can see, there is an option called font, preview, delete or show to hide fonts, change font settings, view installed fonts. You just have to click on the middle one, like change font settings, and after coming here you can see font settings and show and hide fonts and many more options. And on the middle part there is a option called restore default font settings. You just have to click on that, and after clicking on that, the font of your PC will be restored, and that's it. That's how you do that, and see you on the next video.